What's up everyone, welcome back Techatonians. I'm sorry I haven't been making videos in a while, but I've been waiting for this product for a long time. Now this was on Kickstarter last year and I finally got my hands on it. They shipped it to me, and because of the virus situation it took a little bit longer than expected, but the company was very nice. They kept us updated and all that stuff. Anyway, what is this? Well, it's a 3-coil. You could check them out on Instagram at 3-coil. It's a Puna, so it's a protective case, waterproof, drop proof, and dust proof, which is the case. Now it has 6 functions, and they are the makers of the original Puna Multitool. Comes with 5 times surgical blade. Now let's flip to the backside. So we got a stainless steel multi-tool, and it looks like a gun. Now it's a blade guards. It has a key, chain holes, a bottle opener, safety catch, screwdriver ×2, Phillips and flathead, a rail for mounting accessories, a hex tool, and a blade bundle. So that's all inside this cool looking shape. And now the blade cutting edge is 20 millimeters. You could remove it easily and the whole thing detaches. Now, enough with the box. Let's open and see how and what it is. Alright guys, so here's the case itself. You could lock it up if you want to, and a nice protective case to carry on with you. Now here are the 4 surgical blades plus the one already that goes in it. So let's take it out. Let me show you guys. So this is a whole stainless steel part, and this knife is very sharp. Nice, well made. We got the tool, and this tool, what is used for is, let's say you want to change the blade, or let's say you're traveling to another state and of course you can't carry a knife in the airport. What you would do is you would unscrew it, remove the knife. That way you could take the whole set with you, and when you arrive in the other city or state, country, you could go to any store if you need to and buy this blade. They sell them. This is your standard surgical blades. They sell them everywhere. Now you got the main piece where everything goes and assembles. I'll show you in a minute. And you got both your tools. You see they have different ends. So flathead, the hex, and I'll show you how they work as well. So take a look. So to put the blade in, there's a little hole right here. You line it up right here, and it just clips in like that. Then depending on the tool you want, you could put it in like this. That way you're screwing in, but when you're not using it, like that. And then this part screws in there, and there you go. You got like a nice cool tool, and to assemble it very easy. So what you do, how to remove this edge, you pull this trigger down and the blade comes out, and then you take this off, put the blade in here. This goes there. And just like that, everything is done. So this is a really cool tool. I'll have the link down in the description. Check them out. 3-coil Puna knife. For people that like EDC, everyday carry, check them out. Thank you guys for watching this review and a short quick video on this knife multi-tool. Stay tuned, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll be bringing you guys more videos of cool, unique items, gadgets, technology out there in the world. Thank you for watching, like always, and I'll be back.